Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you my August CraftyBonbon box. I'm a bit behind. Usually I would have posted by now. I think this is the very colorful. Yeah, it's very colorful this month. There's like really touch of summer, and I can't remember on the life of me what was the theme, but I'll put it in the description box below so that you know. I love this bright yellow tissue paper. You can just tell that the theme is so bright. Just everything's bright. Right, Tio. Okay, as usual, as you can see, as you can see, you've got the CraftyBonbons info leaflet there, and you have your loyalty leaflet there. So it obviously says after you've bought 8 boxes, then you get a reward. Let's see. Right, so this month we have a highlighter, a blue highlighter. I'm guessing that this varies from box to box, the color wise. And you've got this beautiful, I don't know whether you can see it, washi tape. I shan't open it, so because sometimes the sticky things gets a little bit manky on the side, so I don't really want to open it if I can help it. You got this lovely die cut, which again is very summery. Oh my days, they're so cute. It's ice creams and just summer vibes, really, this one. Oh, I love that. Roller skates and summer stuff. You've got a pack of bits and bobs, like ephemera. Oh, got feather there. Oh, I don't want it to stick onto the gluey bit. So again, very bright, very colorful. Got feather there. Amazing. Oh God, that is so bright. Oh dear. Oh my goodness. I love this. It's the best life. Journal card. Just gonna pop that there. You get a ribbon. Again, I'm not sure whether this varies from one box to another, but it's so pretty. Oh, you get, I'm guessing this is a sticky note. Oh, a minute. Yes, it is. Oh, how beautiful. How beautiful is that? My goodness. Then you have another packet of die cut. Oh, these are the summer drinks. Oh, amazing. Look at that. Look at how colorful they are. Beautiful. It's like tequila sunrise, isn't it? Oh my goodness. Oh, that is gorgeous. Do you know what? That makes me want to journal about my tiki rum. Oh, and then you have shimmer flower. You got some more. I think these are stickers. Oh, but there's shimmer edge, silver edge. So lots and lots of butterflies. Oh my days. They're beautiful. Lots and lots and lots of them. Oh, right. Let's pop that onto one side before I lose something. Okay, so I had to cut the video short because there were lots of noise and dog came in. It's just chaos. Anyway, let's carry on. So the next thing I'm going to show you from this box is this lovely decal, vinyl decal. It says "You Are My Sunshine." That's great. And then we have this charm paper clip, which is a llama. Then you have this little sticker. Looks like a sampler, but it's just like a mini sticker. Depicts summer and sunshine and ice cream and all that nice things. We have a packet of colorful blings. And this month I've asked for A5 traveler's notebook insert, and this you've got a blank page. Oh my god, this is so colorful. I love it. And then you have another packet of colorful die cuts. Oops. Oh. Right. Got this lovely heart trim. Wow, that is bright. Let's say like a tab. A ribbon. Crown. Oh, love the hearts and the smiley faces. This is a very, very bright, I must say. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. And then you always get, I think you get a few whatchamacallit, journal cards. So summer haze, so like ice cream, colorful ice cream. Then you get another decal saying bright sunshiny day. You get journal cards, yellow journal cards, or in yeah, so these are writing cards or journal cards, however you would like to use them. And it comes with colorful envelopes too. And what are these? I think these are stickers. I think these are sticker notes, sticky notes. So yeah, you peel the backing off and then you pop it in your journal to as a writing space. Then you get this mesh and envelope from this lovely. Oh, more writing paper. Or is it that this belongs here? Maybe. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. I think the writing paper goes with the writing, this envelopes. And then this is just a standalone, like the journal cards. I think that is great. These stickers are gorgeous. Oh, look at them, ice creams. Oh my god. 2 sticker sheets and they've got ice creams in them. Oh my days. Oh, they're beautiful. I can't believe it. Anyway, so now we've come to the papers, and this is a beautiful, beautiful, very thick paper with butterflies in it. And that's the opposite side. Oops. Oh, a nice yellowy one. And this is a cardstock. It's a very thick and very good quality cardstock. And that's the other side. Oh, this is beautiful. It's like bohemian. And this is a cardstock too. Wow. Flamingos. Lovely. Oh my goodness, love this. Love summer. Oh my god. And this is a cardstock. And this one is a painted floral, abstract floral. And this is a paper, and it's good quality paper. Oh my goodness. So that's it, guys. This is the August CraftyBonbons box. I can't get over this ice cream thing. And again, it's a very lovely box, very colorful box, full to the brim of lovely goodies, colorful goodies. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day and a great week ahead of you. Bye.